the class, student. We are in the chapter measurement. We are doing conversion of length, and we know the unit of the length: centimeter, meter, kilometer. Millimeter we are not discussing in this class. Only we are discussing these units. Okay. We have to convert from meter to centimeter, then centimeter to meter, kilometer to meter, and meter to kilometer. These things only we are doing in this chapter. Okay. So these things you have to keep in your mind. Already I said that you have to keep somewhere that 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter and 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. I said also K stand for 30. You keep in your mind. K means 30. So 1 kilometer means 1, and in place of K I have written 30. Okay. So this is only, and then when you have to convert the smaller from the smaller unit to bigger unit, means centimeter you have to convert into meter, you have to divide it. And when you have to convert from bigger to smaller, means from meter to centimeter, you have to multiply. Now we are discussing some questions where we have to convert from smaller unit to bigger unit. That means we have to divide here. Okay. So let's take some example here. We have to express the following according to what is given in the question. Okay. 180 centimeter into meter and centimeter. We have to convert 180 centimeter into meter and centimeter. Okay. Here it is 180 centimeter. So we have to convert into meter and centimeter. Meter is the bigger unit now. Okay. You can see that meter is the bigger unit and centimeter is smaller. So we are going from small to bigger. So we have to divide. We have to divide with what? We have to divide by 100. Everything is clear to you? So here we are dividing 180 divided by 100. It will be converted into meter. So by dividing, what we will get as a quotient, it will be meter. But what the remainder we will get, that will be centimeter. I will solve this question in a two way. Why we are dividing? Because 100 centimeter is equal to 1 meter. So we have to divide here. So okay. So you can see when we are dividing 180 by 100, 100 ones are 100. Now 80 is the remainder. We can't divide 80 by 100 because 80 is smaller than 100. So quotient is 1. So that quotient we will write as a meter. This is meter and this is centimeter. Okay. So it will be a 1 meter 80 centimeter. One way is like this. Now in second way, how we are solving it? Same question we will solve here. Okay. By another way. What you will do? You will write this number in a expanded form. 100 and tens and ones together. Okay, like that. So we can write is that 100 centimeter plus 80 centimeter. We can write or not? We can write now? Okay. Now, this 100 centimeter we can write as 1 meter because 100 centimeter is equal to 1 meter. We know now. Or simply we are dividing by 100. We are dividing this 100 by 100. And when we are dividing any number by 100, only we have to remove 20 from the right hand side. So I am removing here 20. Okay. Why we are dividing? Because 100 centimeter is equal to 1 meter. So we will divide here. So we are removing 20. It will become then 1 meter plus 80 centimeter, and we can write together 1 meter 80 centimeter. Clear to you? Let's discuss one more question. then it will be more clearer to you. Here we have to convert 570 centimeter into meter and centimeter. Okay. So for this, what we will do? First, we are doing by the second type only. What just now we have discussed. First, we will write in expanded form. We will write this in an expanded form. 500 centimeter together, and then 70 centimeter. Okay, it's okay. Now 500 centimeter we have to convert into meter. Meter is the bigger unit, so we have to divide. We have to divide with what? We have to divide by 100. So here we can divide 500 divide by 100 and it will become meter, and here it is 70 centimeter. And why we are dividing? Because 100 centimeter is equal to 1 meter. That's why we are dividing. Okay. Now children, when we are dividing the number, only we are removing the 2 zero. When we like that, when we are multiplying any number by 100, we are adding 2 zero in the right hand side. When we are dividing any number by 100, we are removing 2 zero from right hand side. Okay. So we have to remove this 2 zero and it will become 5. Okay. And it will become 5 meter plus 70 centimeter. We can write 5 meter 70 centimeter. Now you can do by a different style also. Same problem you can solve in a different style. 570 centimeter. What we have to do? We have to divide by 100 because we have to convert into bigger unit. So here we are dividing by 100. Okay. Because 100 centimeter is equal to 1 meter. That's why we are dividing by 100. Okay. Now you divide this number here. You divide by 100. Okay. 100 5s are 500. 100 was a 100. 100 2s are 200. 100 3s are 300. Same type. 100 5s are 500. Okay. Now we will subtract. We will get remainder 70, which is smaller than 100. So we can't able to divide it. So it is the remainder. So what will be the question? That will meter, and what is the remainder? That will be centimeter. So we can write here simple 5 meter 70 centimeter. So you can solve this problem. Which method will suits you? According to that you can solve. Now we will discuss some problem in which we have to convert kilometer in meter into kilometer. Okay. Here it is 7,000 kilometer. You have to convert into meter. Here same. We are converting the bigger unit into smaller unit. So what we have to do when we are converting the this 7,000. Okay, no, 7,000 meter we have to convert into kilometer. Okay, this is the question. So when we are converting smaller into bigger unit, we are multiplying there. Solution you see here. 7,000 meter, we have to convert into kilometer. That means we have to divide this by 1000. 7000 we will divide by 1000. Okay. And when we are dividing any number by 1000 means we have to remove 30. When we are dividing by 100, we are removing 20 from right hand side. When we are dividing by 1000, we have to remove 30 from right hand side. It will become 7 kilometers simply. And why we are dividing by 1000? Because 1000 meter is equal to 1 kilometer. That's why we are dividing it by 1000. Okay. Now another way, that is by division you can do only. Another way is that simple, you are dividing you can see 7000, we will divide by 1000. It will goes for 7 times and there is 0 remainder. So this is meter and this is kilometer and this is meter. So here it is 7 kilometer and 0 meter. So simple we are writing like that. So it will be 7 kilometer and 0 meter. Like that we can do. Okay. So one more question we can take here. Meter you convert into 9010 meter you convert into kilometer and meter. Okay. So for this what we are doing, first we can write in expanded form 1000 together and rest all together. It is 9000 meter plus 010 meter, that is 10 meter only. 010 meter we can write as a 10 meter now. No need to write 0. Okay. Now we are converting this smaller to bigger, so we have to divide by 1000. Okay, we have to divide by 1000. So here it will be 9000 divided by 1000 plus 10 meter. When we are dividing any number by 1000, just we are removing 30 from right hand side. So all 30 we will remove, then it will become 9 only. So it is 9 kilometer plus 10 meter, that is 9 kilometer 10 meter. And why we are dividing, that we have to write here, because 1000 meter is equal to 1 kilometer. These things you have to write. Okay. Now another way, simply we go for division only. We go for long division method only. You can see here. When we have to convert into smaller, bigger unit, we have to divide by 1000. So we will divide this by 1000. Okay. So when you are dividing by 1000, 1000 was a 1000, 1000 to the 2000, same time 1000 9s are 9000. And we will get the remainder 10. 10 is a smaller than 1000, so we can't able to divide. This is the remainder. So question we write as a kilometer and remainder we can write as a meter. So here it will be 9 kilometer, 10 meter. So children, please complete this exercise. Thank you. Have a good day.